Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the help button. And then click on the frequently asked questions button. And as you can see, here's the help center. And you can just click on any of the topics that came up. And then, for example, within Disneyland Resorts, you can click on the hotels button, and you will find all the questions and answers related to the hotels. And for example, if you're interested in canceling a hotel reservation, then just click on that, and you will be able to see a very detailed answer to it. And if you found this answer helpful, then you can just help them by clicking on the yes button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye!